All right. Math and Mortgage Guy here. In today's video, I'm gonna help you with your purchase price and your down payment, figure out what your total monthly mortgage payment's gonna be. This video may look familiar, but I promise you it's different. Last week, we talked about if you have a target monthly mortgage payment in mind, how to figure out how much you're gonna buy. This is reverse engineering that. With some great feedback I got on YouTube, I thought to myself, oh, of course you can do that. You can reverse engineer it and say, hey, I'm gonna buy 500,000. I'm gonna put 10% down. What's my payment gonna be? So in this video, I'm gonna go over the math. I'm also gonna go over the 15-year because people asked about 15-year. Neat little hacks that you can just do some quick math and figure out what your mortgage payment's gonna be. So you don't have to guess, and God forbid you go online and start using calculators that are way off. They're not including tax and insurance, or they're off for other reasons because it's, a marketing tool trying to get you in or whatnot. But if you like straightforward real estate, mortgage, market content, please consider subscribing to the channel, like, share, do all that other stuff. Smash this thing, right? The like button for the YouTube algorithm. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, without further ado, last video, we talked about, hey, you've got a $2,000 monthly payment you're targeting, and you're putting 3% down. Multiply that by 175, you're gonna be able to buy something for about $350,000. In this week's video, I wanna show you how to back it out of the purchase price, which I think a lot of people might do it this way. And I realize that through some great comments. I appreciate all the comments, all the feedback I get from folks who watch it. So let's try it that way, right? Let's say you've got a $500,000 purchase price. You know the neighborhood, you know the house you want, hey, this is about what it's gonna cost me to buy what I'm looking for, right? And you're gonna put, you can do 3%, 5%, 10%, 20%, whatever you're gonna do, and then you divide. Is that how you do divide? It's been a while. Where it's like that, right? Divided by this number to get your purchase price. Let me grab my calculator. 500K, 10% down, divided by 195. 500,000 divided by 195, 2564 a month. Now again, like I said last time, taxes, insurance, principal, interest, your whole kit and caboodle, including mortgage insurance, is in this. It's based in California, where property taxes are 1 1/4. Our homeowners insurance might be cheaper than Florida, but our property tax might be more, right? So it's gonna vary based on where you're at, but it gives you a good rough idea. And I went through each one of these scenarios again today, doing it this way, and it's crazy how accurate it is, right? So let's do a couple more, because I think if you're like me, you learn more through example than you do by me just blabbing my gums. So you wanna buy a house for 400,000 and you've got 20% to put down. How much is your payment gonna be? You take the 400,000, you divide it by 220, and you can expect this to be relatively close, 1818 a month, all in. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance, all of it, right? Okay, so this is the 30-year loan. I had people reach out to me and say, Matt, does this work for a 15-year? Well, yeah, it works. The numbers are just different. The payment's higher, right? You can't use the same calculation if you're doing a 15-year loan because it's getting paid off a lot sooner. I used a lower interest rate, obviously, because the 15 rates are lower, but where'd it go? These numbers were more like 155, 140, 132, and 125. A couple things that I had to, guesstimate was, 3, 5, and 10% down. Lenders I work with offer great mortgage insurance rates, so I use those. They're lower on a 15-year than they are on a 30. There's less risk to the lender because you're paying it off quicker. But this is how you would do it on a 15-year. So again, the way I learn, and the way a lot of people learn, is by examples. You can use this, and maybe I'll create some sort of like chart, right? To figure out, based on your purchase price and your down payment, and then the 15 or 30 year, what your monthly mortgage payment is going to be. So let's give one a try. Let's say you're buying something for $330,000 and you know that you're going to put 10% down. 10% down. For the 15-year, you're going to divide by 140. So same thing on this. I did example after example, and I'm like, wow, within $9, within $11, within $4, within $5. It's close. 330,000 divided by 140. If you want to do a 15-year, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, whole kit and caboodle, $2,357. My guess is that's going to be pretty dang close, right? It's not exact. And there's variables that are going to change from state to state. You know, if your credit's worse, this actually, when I was doing it, I didn't even go off best credit. I went off middle of the road because I didn't want to do the worst credit or the best credit. I want to do something in the middle that was more an average, right? So I think I did like a 715 or something credit score. Anyhow, that's that. And then you say, okay, that might be a little bit too big of a payment for me. So if I'm still doing 10% down, but I want to look at what a 30-year would be, what would that be? And you just do the 330 and you divide it by 195 to get the 30-year. This one was the 15-year. 330, whoops, 3.3 million divided by 195. 1692 a month. Just that easy. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if I missed something this time. Last time the feedback was awesome. People said, hey, do it in reverse. Why are you doing the multiplication stuff to try to figure out the purchase price? We might know the purchase price. We might know what we want to buy. We want to figure out what the payment's going to be. So this calculation works to give you rough figures. Again, it's not exact and it's going to vary, but hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, you're looking for a broker in California that can help you out, email me and my team, matt@mattthemortgageguy.com. If you're outside of California, I've got a great team at U Mortgage that's ready to help you. I've got raving reviews from people who have gone through that. All you got to do is fill out a quick form, quick 6 questions, greatmortgagebroker.com. They'll reach out to you within 24 hours and have you all buttoned up. So that's that. If you like the content I'm putting out and you feel like you want some more, maybe a condensed version, Mortgage 101. The course is available. It's down in the comments. I am looking for as much feedback as possible on things you liked about the course, things I can improve. I'm going to add videos. I'm going to add masterminds. I'm going to do all kinds of cool stuff in 2022. I got to get some people to buy it so that we can figure out how to improve it. If you don't like it, 100% refund guaranteed, right? Just return it, say it was garbage, and no questions asked, you'll get a full refund. So hopefully this was helpful. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, we gonna see.